Hello, all you young musicians. I am Miss Emily Norris with EBN Music, and I teach young beginners in a creative and fun way how to play piano and sing. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to play the Addams Family Theme, a fun Halloween song, or just a fun song to play at any time of year. Before we get started, I do a live piano lesson every Tuesday, most Tuesdays, at 10:30 a.m. Central Time. These are for young beginners and for newbies to the piano. This way you can get a quality piano lesson for free. So join me on Tuesdays, or you can watch later. And lastly, if you love piano lessons for kids and you have a kid who's interested in piano, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I really hope that these videos are helpful to you. One more thing, if you want a free mini lesson, a free info video, be sure to click the link in the description. That will take you to your free and also some free PDFs to help you get started with piano if that's something you're interested in. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go to the piano and let's learn the Addams Family theme. Okay, so the first thing, we're just gonna play through it. I'm not gonna explain anything so you can follow along. If you're just here to learn how to play it, then you're in the right place here. So here is the first part of Addams Family. Okay, so it starts here on the F, the front door of Grandma's house. Jumps a little here. Notice I just used my number 2 finger with my right hand. For small hands, this is a great way to start just playing melodies for fun. Just finding your way around the piano using your number 2 finger. You can also do a donut shape, like that. But some students, it's easier to use that number 2 finger. It just depends. Okay, so playing that melody, you might have noticed we jumped around quite a bit in this area of the piano. So let's go through each section a little bit at a time and let's explain a little bit. Addams Family is in the B flat scale. So let's play the scale together. You've got B flat, C, D, E flat, F. So you're going to play 2 black keys. Scales are really important when learning pop music. So that's why I always start with that, learning the scale first. So the first part is just you're climbing up the last 1, 2, 3, 4 notes of the scale. Now, the second part and the middle part, you're actually playing a regular B. You're not playing a B flat there. They changed it up a little bit with Addams Family. Dun, dun. Okay, so you do that. These are the last 4 notes of the C scale. So it changed it to C scale a little bit there, changed the sound. And then the last one, we go back to the B flat scale. Okay, so that's that. We are leading up to what's called the tonic note. The tonic note is the first note of the scale. So in Addams Family, we're climbing up and hitting the tonic note, the first note. Then the second part, it's a new tonic, which is the C. Do that 3 times, then come back to the B flat scale. Dun, dun. So there you go. There is the thought process behind that first part. Okay, now this part just involves quite a lot of skips here, so we're going to do it super slow. They're creepy and B and. So the D, B flat, that's a skip. They're creepy and, okay? They're creepy and they're kook, okay? That was, every one of those was a skip. So if we look at it, bum, skip, 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 skip. Okay, see that? Boom, 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 boom. All of those were skips of each other. If you understand the patterns, it's way easier to learn, okay? So boom, skip, 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 skip. Okay, so let's do that again. There, start on the E, or start on the F. They're creepy and they're kooky. That is a big jump, so kooky. You're going to the tonic note of that dun 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 dun, that second part, okay? Which makes sense. This is the second part of the next pattern, right? Okay, so we did kooky. Now we're on mysterious and spooky. I think I have the right words. Okay, these are steps. Now remember our skips. We're gonna skip again. Mysterious and All right, those were all skips. Mysterious and... Oh, I forgot a skip. There's another skip there. So you got mysterious and spooky. Then it's the tonic of the first one, okay? So as you can see, we are doing the same pattern, the same intervals in both parts. So let's start on They're Creepy and tonic. We're gonna skip, leap to the tonic, step, step, skip, jump to the tonic there. Okay, and now they're all together, ookie. That's the same as the beginning. They're all together, ookie. Same thing. And then the Addams Family. That's just leading up to the B flat. The Addams Family. Bum, 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 bum. Whoops, sorry. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, boom. Okay, let's go through it part at a time and let's see if you can do it with some of my hints, okay? So here we go. The first part, remember, you are the last 4 notes of B flat. Second part, the last 4 notes of C scale. Do that 2 more times. Back to B flat. Okay, starting on the F, B flat, bum, bum, bum. Remember those skips? Leap, step, step. Yep. Okay, next part, we're gonna skip again, all those notes. Leap. Same thing as the beginning. And then now we're in the B flat scale. Oops, sorry. Yay! Okay, if that was enough for you, you are good to go. If you want a little challenge, we can add some left-hand notes when you're ready for a challenge. It might be a little bit too much of a challenge for little fingers, but we're going to give it a shot here, okay? I'm actually, since I went through it with the number 2 finger, I'm actually going to play it now with some better fingerings so I can play it a little faster. No bass clef here. Or actually, you can play this lower because it's a little lower in the song. Okay, you're going to start on your B flat note, E flat, F, B flat. Nice, okay. If you're following along, we have B flat, E flat, F, B flat. Those are the 1, 4, 5, 1 chords in the B flat scale. Okay, so let's do that again. Ooh, that was a challenge, right? Sometimes when we're adding a challenge with left and right hands, we forget to play one. So I didn't do it this time. I usually like to put the 2 together. The heartbeat is the most important. The left hand is very important. The right hand is just kind of accompanying, is the melody, okay? But this is the heartbeat. Okay, I'm going to put it all together with the challenge left hand and the right hand, and this is advanced level. Well, you know, not really, but for beginners, advanced. Okay, here we go. I just realized my hand was kind of like a thing, right? Showing just my hand. Okay, so there you go. There is the theme to Addams Family. This is a challenging one because there's a lot of skips, but I hope that recognizing those patterns helps you and helps your child recognize that. I want these videos to be helpful for you. So be sure to let me know if you liked it. If you didn't like it, that's okay too. Let me know how I can improve and what you need for your child to learn fun songs, or even you, the young at heart. Let me know what you think. Again, be sure to grab that free PDF and info video and mini lesson in the description. I hope that that's helpful for you as well. And if you're interested in piano lessons for your child, be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. I have them linked below in the description. Have fun playing Addams Family and enjoy the spooky season. I'll see you next time. Goodbye to you. See you next time.